Hi, I'm Gabriella Bavone, crafter, and thank you for coming to my channel or coming back, as the case is. Today we're gonna make candied peel. Let's start. So here I have a couple of oranges and a lemon. They're organic because we're gonna use the peel, so yes. And I wash them, well, I rinse them. So let's get rid of the top and bottom. And then score and peel. That's what we want. This is the smell of winter. I do not understand oranges and mandarins in summer. That's against any religion. Anyway, so then we'll dice it in small pieces like that. So this size is for cakes and, you know, baking and stuff. But also you can have long strips like that, candy them as they are, and then dip them in melted dark chocolate. And then you eat them as they are. And they're great. We need to remind ourselves that the long winter dark days are gonna go soon. But we need to remind each other that we still do love each other, and we exchange presents to do that. We still love our families and our friends, even if the days are miserable and dark. But then winter is so beautiful, could be so beautiful. If you wear a roof and something to eat and keep warm, yes. But those stunning clear days, freezing cold, but yes, and snow, the beauty, the frost, all the glitter, all the glitter. The bread we're gonna make soon is called pan pepato, which means peppered bread. It's an Italian bread that's originated in Umbria. The typical one is from Terni, but obviously there's no one recipe for it, because every family has its own little trick, and every family is right. And the pan pepato is better than the next door one. Right, this is one I cut earlier, and the smell again, go away. Well, I'm gonna make little candied thingies for pan pepato, but I'm gonna keep a few for a chocolate treat. Yes, there. I'll do the lemon while I'm here. And this is one I cut earlier. Now, when the next passage, we're gonna boil it to get rid of the bitter. Yeah, that's why it doesn't matter if you leave the white layer there on the peel, which is bitter bit, but let's see, we're gonna get rid of it. Is this table a bit wobbly? It is, isn't it? I'm sorry if I crossed your eyes all this time. Yeah, so if you do different fruit, because you can do, is it called cedar? Yeah, cedar or mandarins or lime, whatever you like can be done, grapefruit. But the important thing is that when you boil them, when you cook them, then use separate pots. I mean same pots, just don't mix them, one at a time. All right, let's go. So here I didn't give you any weight because you can do as many oranges as you like. The fact that it's gonna be full of sugar, that will be a natural preservative, as long as you keep them obviously in a sealed jar. We're gonna get them to boil and let them boil for 5 minutes, and then we'll drain them. All right, so that was 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna drain them and put the same amount of water as before, cold water. There. So we're gonna do this another 2 times, 3 times in total. Right, second time. All right, this is 3 times. Now I'm gonna rinse them. I'm gonna drain them and then rinse. And then we're gonna cool them down. Here we are, more than an hour later. I got distracted. So now what we have to do is weight our oranges. Weight in container and 0. So as I said, I didn't give you a precise weight because you can do as many oranges as you want. Then you just weight your oranges, and that's, my one is 110 grams. So now I have to measure half of that, which is 55 grams of sugar. 56, that'll do. Right, so now that goes in the pot, and now the same amount, 55 of water, 57, yeah. And that as well goes in the pan. And now we make syrup. We bring the water and sugar. We bring the water to the boil and melt the sugar, which won't be very long. And as soon as it's dissolved, we'll put the oranges in. To me, the smell of oranges and mandarins is the smell of Christmas. Because when I was little, we used to play tombola, which you will call bingo. Anyway, tombola It's a Christmas thing, and only at Christmas it gets played. And to mark the cards, to mark the numbers, we used to eat mandarins and then break the skin and use them little little skins of mandarins to mark the numbers. And that's the smell of festivity. None of that stuff, mandarins in summer, is not natural. Anyway, the sugar is gone, it's dissolved. In we go with peel. And now we'll cook it until the sugar is nearly gone. Let's help it a bit. So here we are. The liquid is almost gone. And be careful before it burns. Before it burns, you just turn it off. Right, onto a plate to cool down and dry up. And make sure they're separated, because they're famous for getting stuck together. Anyway, can you see they've gone sort of translucent? And I'm gonna burn myself now because, well, you know, quality control, that one. What can I say? Sweet, tangy, soft, none of that plastic that we find in the shops. Right, oh look, that got stuck. Oh well, can I say? Clean the bowl. Right, this is it. They're gonna be ready in an hour or so. Anyway, tomorrow we'll make cake. So that's it, we made it. We made candied peel, and tomorrow we're gonna make pan pepato. So come back for that, and I hope you can find different ways of doing it. There's plenty of cakes and buns and even savory food with a hint of, salads. Ooh. Anyway, you'll find a way. So yeah, I hope you liked it, and I'll see you soon. Ooh, subscribe, like, all that stuff. Yeah. Bye.